So today helping with finding out the top dead center and also setting your timing for a KX450F. This is a 2006, but they're about the same throughout the years. You just want an 8mm. You pop off the cover here and you have your access hole for the flywheel. You take that off, and when you spin over the engine, of course I got the tensioner off right now because we're going to be taking apart this later on. So you're going to spin it, and you can spin it the other way to check, but basically you want to line up that with the end of here, and then it's about 29 teeth down, and that's where your other mark will end up. And it's about parallel with this, but with specs from the actual booklet, it's 29 teeth, 29 links, and it's the actual pins per link you're gonna count down. And there's a little mark right in there, and that's where you're gonna line up for your flywheel. So your actual piston is right at the very apex of the cylinder. So that's pretty much to it. I think later I'll show how to actually rebuild it. We actually spec'd it out as well. It's kind of a pain. This one ended up getting it. It's had some damages here and there. It's a used dirt bike, what do you expect? So we'll see how the other one stuff, but figured just do a little video to show how to set your timing.